me. And it's a symbol of love and commitment to the growth and unity of this country. I thank all of you. Lunch or dinner I don't have. I didn't prepare for it. But what I need to do on your behalf is to announce a special account to be created today from all the salaries that I've earned. The Accountant General to establish an account to fund those men and women who stand on the arms race, who have lost the husband and wives. Create a special funding for them. Regardless of what insurance or what the military or the armed forces might have been doing. Let's put hands together to donate specially to that account. Those who might have lost their limbs or hands will be able to give them hope and a better promise for the future. Nigeria will overcome the problem of insecurity. We will invest in armament to defeat the insurgents. We will put it together with you. This type of unity I have not imagined. I thank all of you. I rejoice with you. I rejoice with myself.